Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Calendar on desktop or in the mobile app to start. Click the Create button or tap the plus icon to create an event. Enter a clear title and pick date and start time for the meeting. Click Add Google Meet Conferencing to automatically generate a meet link for invites. Add guests using their email addresses and set guest permissions like inviting others. Set a 10-minute notification or multiple reminders to prepare everyone beforehand. Save the event and choose Send to Email Invites with the meet link included. Open event details to add an agenda and meeting notes before session. Use the Add Description field to paste links, documents, or agendas for attendees. Attach files from Drive or upload from your computer for access during calls. Set the time zone so international guests see the correct meeting time automatically. Make the event recurring with daily, weekly, or custom intervals for regular meetings. Control joining options by locking the meeting or limiting entry by calendar invite. Notify participants of changes and edits by using Save and choosing Send updates. Open the calendar event and tap or click the Join with Google Meet button. Check your microphone and camera settings in the preview area before entering the call. Use Present Now to share your screen, an application window, or a tab. Record the meeting when allowed to save discussion as an MP4 in Drive automatically. Host controls let you mute others, remove guests, and manage breakout rooms quickly. End the video for everyone or leave, while letting the call continue without you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.